Experiencing Bluetooth problems in your Tesla Model 3? You're not alone. This video will guide you through proven solutions to resolve initialization and connectivity issues. We'll cover simple reboots, profile resets, and firmware updates, ensuring you can enjoy seamless connectivity for calls, media, and more. By 2026, most Bluetooth issues are easily fixed. Bluetooth in your Model 3 allows the infotainment system to connect with your smartphone for calls, media, and contacts. The car's touchscreen provides a Bluetooth menu where you can pair devices and manage settings. The car scans for compatible devices using wireless signals. This scanning uses Bluetooth protocols like HSP for hands-free calling, A2DP for high-quality audio streaming, and AVRCP for media controls. Once scanned, devices connect through a secure handshake, establishing roles like source and sync for data flow. Problems often stem from incomplete handshakes, where the connection fails midway, incompatible firmware between devices, or corrupted profiles that store connection data incorrectly. For example, firmware incompatibilities can be fixed by updating device software, ensuring both the car and phone use compatible versions. Understanding this Bluetooth connection process is key to effective troubleshooting when issues arise. The first and simplest solution is a soft reboot. Access the touchscreen, controls, safety and security, power off. This restarts the system, clearing temporary glitches in the Bluetooth stack without losing data. This is the most fundamental step in troubleshooting and often resolves the issue quickly. If rebooting your Tesla doesn't resolve the Bluetooth issue, the next step is to reset your device's Bluetooth profile. This involves forgetting the device and then repairing it to establish a fresh connection. Here's how to do it step by step. First, go to Settings, then Bluetooth on your Tesla's touchscreen. Next, select Forget Device for your phone to remove the current profile. Finally, repair your phone by putting it in pairing mode and selecting it from the available devices. This process rebuilds the secure connection using Bluetooth's secure simple pairing mechanism. SSP ensures a safe and encrypted link between devices, addressing any data corruption or interference that may have occurred. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that specifically target and patch known Bluetooth connectivity bugs. These updates are delivered wirelessly to your vehicle, ensuring you always have the latest fixes without visiting a service center. These updates are applied by your car's electronic control unit, or ECU, which oversees the vehicle's computer systems. The ECU handles the installation process, ensuring all components work together seamlessly after the update. For safety reasons, these updates often require your vehicle to be parked and not in motion. The installation process typically takes several minutes to complete, during which the car's systems are updated and restarted. To ensure your firmware stays current, regularly check for available updates in your car's settings menu. Tesla recommends checking for updates weekly, especially after experiencing connectivity issues. Many Tesla Model 3 owners have successfully resolved Bluetooth connectivity issues using the troubleshooting methods we've discussed. Let's look at some real-world examples that demonstrate the effectiveness of these fixes. For instance, a Tesla Motors Club member with a 2021 Model 3 encountered Bluetooth initialization problems following a firmware glitch. They followed Tesla's guided reboot process through the vehicle's touchscreen, then performed a profile reset by forgetting and repairing their device. In a popular Reddit thread from early 2024, multiple Model 3 owners shared experiences with pairing failures involving iPhone 15 devices after a specific firmware update. Community members suggested starting with a reboot and profile reset, then checking for firmware rollbacks through Tesla's beta channel. These success stories from Tesla Motors Club and Reddit communities prove that the sequence troubleshooting approach is highly effective, often resolving issues quickly without needing professional service. Tesla is shifting away from Bluetooth dependency toward hybrid connectivity systems like Wi-Fi Direct and 5G. This reduces reliance on Bluetooth for demanding tasks such as video streaming and large data transfers, allowing Bluetooth to focus primarily on voice communication. Looking ahead, Tesla anticipates adopting ultra-wideband technology for faster device pairing and more precise tracking capabilities. UWB offers superior accuracy compared to traditional Bluetooth methods, as shown in this comparison table. Future Tesla models will likely experience far fewer connectivity issues overall, thanks to AI-assisted automatic fixes that proactively scan for and resolve problems during operation. Experts indicate that 70 to 80% of Bluetooth connectivity issues in Tesla Model 3 vehicles are software-related and can be resolved using the fixes we've covered. Tesla's software updates specifically target Bluetooth stability, leading to a significant reduction in support tickets, according to company data. Surveys of Tesla owners show that the majority successfully resolve their Bluetooth problems through simple reboots and device profile resets. To minimize potential Bluetooth connectivity problems, experts recommend keeping your Tesla's software system updated and avoiding the use of third-party applications that could interfere with device pairing.